Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. Actually my son got this. I'm not sure. I asked him what it is. He doesn't even know. He ordered so many items and it just got delivered. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. It's a surprise unboxing. What? It's a Swarovski. The tissue paper has a Swarovski on there. That'd be expensive stuff. What? Ooh, what is this? I think the bottom is the invoice. Nice Swarovski. Probably the invoice is in here. Let me check it out. Let's see. So inside is this small envelope. It's a pamphlet. And then there's another bigger card. Wow, look at that. Nice metallic silver or a silver swan. Oh, sorry, it's a card for special loved ones. GWH. And then there's a necklace. And then sparkling mine backpack. So invoice is in there anyway. So since it's a gift, I'm not sure if I could try to open this, but yeah, there you go. And this is made in Thailand. Go ahead and open this up real quick. I don't want to ruin it because, oh, I ripped it. So let's give you guys a sneak peek real quick. Swarovski on the top section. And then Swarovski.com. Ooh, wow. Pretty sparkling. Let me turn on some light. And then yes, this tag that goes with it. Nice. It's a nice touch. Let me turn on the flash real quick. So there you go. This is with the flash on. You can tell by it is pretty sparkling. Alright, so this one must be the necklace. Got the Swarovski on the top. And this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and give you guys a quick sneak peek real quick. Got the Swarovski with the swan on the top. Swarovski.com. And then this is what it looks like. Wow. It's pretty shiny. So this one looks like a mini backpack. Let me see if I try to open real quick. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna rip. Yeah, if I open it, it's gonna rip. Anyway, this is a gift, so I'm not gonna open this one. But it says this one's a backpack by Swarovski. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.